I slept great last night. I have awesome dreams. Did you guys?
Oh, what were we,
Well, you see, I was dreaming me and Daisy on a date. And I was too rude at the date, so Daisy got mad at me and she says we're through. I had a really bad dream last night. Well, Donald, sometimes we have bad dreams. And, I know that you all don't like them. Some are scary, and some make you angry. So, anyone want some breakfast? It's 9 o'clock in the morning.
Sure, Meg, I love some breakfast. Yep.
Oh, that's my tummy. I am hungry. I had a good breakfast. Did you, Goofy?
Yeah, Meg, that was delicious. Right, Donald?
Whoa! Donald, stop! You're eating too much food. Slow down. What? Donald, if you ate a lot of food, you would have got the hiccups. And we don't want to have the hiccups.
Meg? What do you mean if you ate too much food and then you get the hiccups?
Well, Goofy, first, you eat a lot of food. And then you get the hiccups. Oh my God, don't be silly. I never get the hiccups. I am fine. Uh-oh.
Donald, you have the hiccups!
Oh my goodness, Goofy, you're right. I do have the hiccups.
Hiccups? What a funny name.
Hey, who said that?
Over here, mouse. Hey! How is it going? Hey, what's up?
Who are you?
Who? Us?
Yeah?
Oh, I'm peeled. And I'm split. And then we heard the word hiccups, so we thought that's a funny name. Yeah, it sounds goofy. Gosh, talking bananas.
Alright, Donald, do you want to get rid of your hiccups? Yes, I do. But how am I going to get rid of these hiccups?
Did someone say hiccups? I know all about hiccups. Who are you? Who? Me? Yeah? Oh, you could call me Mr. Chicken. I get him why they call him Mr. Chicken, because he's a chicken! Well, to me he looks like a rooster or a turkey. Be quiet, you two. Now, Donald, I heard you have the hiccups, right?
Right. Say.
Well, the first thing to get rid of hiccups is to hold your breath for 20 seconds.
Seriously?
Yep.
Oh, alright. As you wish.
Whoa. He's holding it as high as he can. Yes, I know how to get rid of hiccups. I guess this might work.
It better. Oh man, I can't breathe that long. Donald, are your hiccups gone? I think.
Oh yeah, your hiccups are all gone. Oh no, your hiccups are still there.
Oh man.
Well, alright, let me think here. What else could get rid of hiccups? Hey, I know. How about you scare Donald? Yeah, when I have the hiccups, he'll sneak up to me and yell, "Boo!" That surprised my hiccups away. Hey, that's a great idea. Hey, Donald, wait here.
Where did it go?
Woo! Boo! Gotcha, Donald.
Oh, very funny, you. Hey, Donald, are your hiccups gone? I think so. Oh no! Your hiccups are still there! Oh man!
What do we do now, Mick?
Oh, I don't know, Goof.
Oh well, we tried everything.
Oh, how exasperating!
Hey, Donald?
Yeah?
We're sorry you have the hiccups. And we're sorry that we don't know how to get rid of your hiccups. Hey, what was that? I don't know. It kind of sounds like gorilla! What?
Whoa, that was crazy! Boy, that scared me really bad.
How did that thing get in here? Is he gone?
Yeah, he's gone. Say, does anyone know where that gorilla came from? I think I remember where that thing came from.
We interrupt this program with some breaking news! A 7-foot gorilla has escaped from the zoo. Make sure you lock all your doors and windows really tight. Also, gorillas love to eat bananas. You know that, right?
Whoa, a gorilla? Why, that's scary. And, that was last week. Donald, your hiccups are gone! Really? Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy! My hiccups are gone! Hooray!
Donald, that gorilla surprised you?
Yeah, Goofy, it sure did. Really badly.
Well, Donald, we're glad your hiccups are gone. And, excuse me, I'm gonna go back to my farm. See you later.
Goodbye!
Hey Mick, can we watch Gilligan's Island?
Well, Goofy, I'm gonna call the zoo, and I'm gonna tell them that we found the gorilla. Also, that gorilla broke a big hole in the wall. See over there?
Whoa. Is that a yes or no?
No thanks, Goofy. You can watch Gilligan's Island if you want. I'm gonna go to my office and start working on the wall and get the gorilla. See ya.
Hey Donald, do you want to watch Gilligan's Island with me?
Sure, Goofy. Come on.
You know what? I'm glad this hiccup thing is over. Oh, great.